Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. So let's go ahead and get into it. I will mention that I do have a Destash box available, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned through the end. But let's go ahead and start from the top. First thing first is we do have another vinyl. This one is a Coke Zero. Love it. I love me some Coke Zero. I also wanted to mention that this will be the next couple of days to get the squad samplers in these colors. They have picked their next colors and they're really, really pretty. Also, the last couple of days to pick up last month's mystery add-ons. And then also, let's go into the technically three items that will be on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern all the way through Sunday. The first one here is going to be the Black Doodle collection. So it has all of the sheets in the color black. We do have a black sparkle. Black is a great one to have, especially during Halloween time, but it also just matches basically everything, if I'm being honest with you. So black will be available and it is on special pricing, as well as the final two leaves bundles. These are the new format ones with the whole reinforcers. I do have in gold and silver, which again, perfect for any fall spread. Leaves is just a good one. And again, special pricing Wednesday through Sunday. I have three kits for you today, one of them being a pop mystery that I'm very excited about because it is new art, and then we just have two other arts to show you. The first one here is called Fall Farmhouse. Really, really pretty clip art kits art. Very, very gorgeous. Actually, the pop mystery is also clip art kits, but this is just a really nice, like, farmish, fallish kit. I love the colors of this. The orange and the green are really pretty together. I love all of the farm animals and the different patterns. Super stinking cute. I love the fan boxes because the one fan option could totally be Lila. You have a scene box there, the grass for the bottom washi, and the date covers have the wood pattern, which is really, really pretty. Great for fall. I think like both of these would actually look really pretty with this, but also the, I have them over here. The bonfire foil would be so good with this one, along with honestly rose gold and the matte bronze as well. All of them would be excellent with this kit. All of the kits this week come in Ultimate and Mini as per usual. And then let me show you the add-on options for this one. So there is Doodle as well as Doodle 2. There is also the Label Sampler as well as Label 2, which is really pretty pink, and Label 3, which is a brown. There is the Ombre, there's Pattern. There is all 6, of course, of the Scribblers, and then there is the fashion options. They're so cute. And like I said, I feel like this could be Lila in the blonde. Well, even I get like her hair's in the middle of like brown and blonde option. So cute, but that literally is like Lila's haircut. So cute, so cute. Love the fashion options. Definitely will be using this one in this fall. It's kind of giving me like November vibes. I love it. It's so cute with the orange. The next kit here is another banger. This one is by Kit & Jess, and it is called Close Encounters. So it is an alien set. So let's go through this one. I am obsessed with this. I'm not like super crazy big on aliens, but I just think that the colors of this and just like the overall theme is so fun. It just reminds me of Nick because Nick like loves alien stuff. So super stinking cute. Love the colors. I did do a faux black glitter throughout because I thought that'd be pretty neat. You have the two boxes here. I love the patterns. I feel like Jess's patterns are always top notch and so fun. I love this like computer techie kind of background. So pretty. And then the bottom washi, you do have the like sky here. And then in all of these, which are like the four main colors of the kit, they do have that like techie kind of pattern lightly overlaid on all of the colors. I think is really pretty. And then you have the other scene as the extra box there. And then the freebie in the Ultimate and Mini is the hand in the different color skin tones from the mini kit or the glitter header page. So that is Close Encounters. And let me go ahead and show you all of the add-on options for this one. So you do have Doodle and Doodle 2, as well as the Label Sampler, and then Label 2 is black, of course, Ombre, Pattern, and then there is all of the Scribblers, and then there is also FAM options. So you do have FAM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the friend box you could totally like change up. So stinking cute, because the friend box is also in here, but the other 2 are unique to the fan boxes. So super stinking cute. And then last but not least, we do have the Pop Mystery, which is again from Clip Art Kits, and I think this one turned out so stinking cute, and I just love this theme. So this is a Winnie the Pooh themed, like the classic characters, and I think it turned out adorable. You got Pooh, Piglet, Rabbit, Tigger, Eeyore, and Christopher Robin, and then like the inside of Pooh's house with all of his honey pots, and I love these classic Winnie the Pooh colors. You have Owl and Kanga and Brew. Super cute patterns with the bees and the honey and such. And then I was like, I need this. This is one of like, I just, like when I think of Winnie the Pooh, I think of his butt stuck in the thing, and then they decorated it because they thought he was just going to be stuck there. There's honey for the one bottom washi, along with the like, kind of like the inside of his house, like inside of the, any of the like textures, like the ground kind of, and then the grass, and then the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the like the map of the 100-acre wood. So stinking cute, such a good one. I'm so excited for it. And if you didn't see on Instagram, I have been doing like a little series where I go through all of the things that I would add on with this, and I'm like, I think that red foil would be so fun with this. So you have Doodle as well as Doodle 2, and then there is Label and Label 2, which is the green. There is the like extra boxes you want to add them on. So there's just a bunch of honey pots. There is a beehive along with the outside of Pooh's house. There is the Ombre Heart checklist, the pattern, and then also the scribblers as well. And that'll be available only Wednesday through Sunday. So definitely pick this up. Might want to get an extra one because it's just so stinking cute. And that's everything for the new releases. But I'm going to go ahead and go into the Destash box, which will also be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. This is another one of the bigger ones. Let me go ahead and go through everything as in here, and this is just an example, but it'll be kind of like similar stuff. So first things first is there is a pack of some of the Once More with Love like scribbler munchkin type things, and then there is a little vinyl pack here with I think like 3 or 4 vinyls in there. There is a bow, there's a bow vinyl pack, there is I think 10-piece fun foil grab bag, a pin, another grab bag of foil. There is a old ultimate kit, another old ultimate kit, a rack bag of some older foil bundles. These were the matte ones. There is some sticker Destash bags. These are probably Misfit grab bags. And then this is a mystery kit. So lots of grab bags. Let me zoom you out a little bit. There is also, I think this is the 50-piece script grab bag, a matte label sampler grab bag. There is the transparent type sticky notes, a TN kit. Like there's like bows, a pen, sticky notes, all kinds of things. This is a passport holder, some washi tapes, a album, and then down here there is also I think this was a 7-year TN kit, the Magic something TN kit, the vellum, the star ones, and then the vellum, it's really wedged in here, bow ones. So lots and lots of stuff in this Destash mystery box. They did go pretty fast last time, so if you want to get your hands on it, I definitely would hop on right at noon Eastern to be able to pick up one of these. I think we have like 25 of them. But yeah, that is the Destash box this time, and then all of these new releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. Hope you like this week's new releases, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.